Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to deal with how we can construct the deep excavation in Plax Studio. If it is your first time, please hit the subscription button and don't forget to share this video to your friends who really want to study how to construct a deep excavation, especially in sand soil or another type of soil. This video is full guidance of how you can construct deep excavation from scratch, from starting point, step by step, up to the end. We are going to use this sheet. This is a top sand. This is a material properties that you are going to use, and materials are arranged in this form, like this one. After the end in the Plax Studio, and after all,